Are you looking to insert or attach a document to your Constant Contact emails? In this video tutorial, we'll go over how it all works. Before we get into it, it's important to clarify that Constant Contact is not like a regular email client, like Gmail or Yahoo. So you can't technically attach a document to your email like you would in Gmail. You can, however, include a link to the document that people can click and go to view it. While editing your email, highlight the text you want to make a link and then click the link icon. Choose Document from the options and then choose the Upload New Document button. You can upload PDFs, Word docs, Excel sheets, etc. Once your file is uploaded, select it from the list of documents and then choose Insert. If you run into an error message of any kind or follow these steps and still can't upload your document, please contact our support team for assistance. If the document you are trying to attach or insert is a PDF, we actually have a feature that will allow you to create an email based on your PDF. We have a help article that goes over this in full detail, so please check it out at the link above. If the methods I covered today didn't answer your question or you ran into a specific issue, please contact our support team for assistance. We are here to help. And that's everything you need to know about attaching or inserting documents into your emails with Constant Contact.